Hello everyone, this is May from Nihongo with May. If you're new here, welcome. I'm happy you're here. On this channel, I talk about Japanese language and culture and share tips to help you learn Japanese in a fun and practical way. Today I want to talk about something many learners struggle with, fluency. How can you improve your speaking and listening skills so you can express yourself naturally in Japanese? It's not just about memorizing vocabulary or studying grammar rules. Fluency means being able to think in Japanese, respond naturally, and truly understand how people speak in real life. For many learners, the gap between knowing the language and being able to use it naturally can feel really frustrating. Maybe you can read well, but freeze up when you try to speak. Or you can understand textbook Japanese well, but not casual conversations. That's why I'm so excited to share today's video, which is in collaboration with Italki, an amazing online platform where you can take one-on-one lessons with language teachers from all over the world. Since I'm Japanese myself, instead of taking a regular lesson, I actually had the chance to interview a Japanese teacher. I asked them about their lesson style, tips for learners, and what kind of support they offer, so you can get the real feel for what it's like to learn on Italki. Just to be clear, I only work with services that I genuinely believe in and think it will be helpful for learners like you. Also, there is a special offer you don't want to miss. For your first lesson, you can pay $10 and get $5 extra when you use my promo code May. So just click the link in the description down below and make sure to watch until the end. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Italki? Italki is a super flexible and convenient online platform where you can learn languages by talking directly with real teachers in one-on-one lessons. You can choose the teacher, the time, and what you want to focus on, whether that's grammar, conversation, pronunciation, or even preparing for a big exam like JLPT. There are over 150 languages to choose from, so whether you're starting from zero or aiming to refine your fluency, there's always a teacher for you. And the best part, you can take lessons anytime from anywhere. All you need is internet connection. Plus, you only pay for the lessons you take, which makes it really easy to fit your language learning into your lifestyle. So what makes Italki special? Number 1. You can have real conversation practice anytime. If you want to improve your speaking and listening skills, there's nothing better than talking with real people. On Italki, you can practice conversation with native speakers and build your confidence little by little in a natural and supportive environment. You can also choose a time that works for you. Even if you're busy with work or school, lessons can be as short as 30 minutes, so you can easily fit them into your lunch break or any small pocket of free time during the day. Number 2. You can immerse yourself in global cultures. One of the best things about Italki is that you can meet teachers from all over the world. That means you won't just learn the language. You'll also get to know different cultures, accents, and ways of thinking. And if you're learning Japanese, you can practice listening and speaking as if you're actually in Japan, even without leaving your home. It's a great way to feel connected globally while experiencing the culture of your target language. Number 3. You will pay per lesson. Italki is very flexible and affordable. There's no monthly subscription, you only pay for the lessons you actually take. This means you have complete control over how often you learn and how much you spend. Whether you want to take lessons every week, once a month, or just when you have extra time, you can adjust your schedule freely without wasting money on unused classes. You can also choose from a wide range of teachers that fits your budget and learning goals, making it easy to stay motivated without financial pressure. Number 4. There's AI learning tool and it's 1 month free. Do you want to learn even faster? The italki Plus AI tool helps you study smarter by giving you personalized feedback and targeted practice based on your own performance. After each lesson, you can review the key points, work on your weak points, and practice speaking or listening with interactive exercises. It's like having a study partner and a coach available anytime, so you can keep improving even between classes. You can also track your progress over time, which keeps you motivated and shows you exactly how far you've come. And right now, you can try it completely free for 1 whole month. Next, I'd like to share a short interview clip with a Japanese teacher, Rie Sensei.
はい、お願いします。
では、簡単な自己紹介をお願いします。
はい、田中理恵と申します。東京で生まれて、埼玉県で育ちました。学生時代の、アルバイトからですね、はい、サービス業とか、あとは介護の仕事とか、もともとは日本語とは全然関係のない仕事をしていたんですけれども、
そうなんですね。
ある時から日本語の教師っていう仕事を、知ることになって、そこから、2007年からですね、この仕事を始めました。
結構長い間されてますね。
はい、おかげさまで楽しくやらせていただいてます。
それが一番ですね。
はい、
では今、italkiで教え始めてどのくらい経ちますか？
改めてチェックしたんですけど、2020年の6月からですね。
5年ちょっとぐらい教えられてるって感じです。何か対面とオンラインでの教え方とかレッスンの違いってあったりします？
メリットデメリットは正直あると思うんですけれども、私からするとメリットが多いかなとは思いますよね。やっぱり時間と場所を選ばないっていうこと、気軽にできるし、移動時間が無駄にならないし、あとは調べながらできるっていうのはいいことだと思います、お互いに。
そうですね。他にレッスンの内容的にはどんなものがありますか？
もう本当にあいうえおからスタートして、スタートする学生さんもいらっしゃるし、ビジネス日本語の学生さんもいらっしゃるし、本当に幅が広いんですけど、ただ私の専門分野っていうのは、実は日本に留学したい学生さんのサポートなんですね。
そうなんですね。
だからもちろんその日本留学試験、EJU ですね、の準備もそうなんですけど、それ以外に例えば志望理由書を作ったり、あとはその面接ですね、面接の練習とか、そういうのも全部トータルで指導しなければいけなかったり、あとは大学院だと研究計画書一緒に考えたり、そういうことはちょっと難しい分野になるので、それが私の専門かなと思っています。
そうか、すごいですね。もう上級の方は会話をされる方が多いですか？
レベルに関わらず、会話をしたい方は会話をしたいっていう感じですよね。今ちょうど2ヶ月目になる週4回2時間ずつレッスンをしてる方いらっしゃるんですけど、6月の時は私の話も何もわからなかったし、いいも出なかったのに、今私のこのスピードの話が全部わかるし、
本当ですか？
自分でこれは何ですか？全部説明が、質問が、スムーズに来るようになったんですよ。たった 1ヶ月、2ヶ月弱で。
すごいですね。上達が早いですね。でもやっぱりそれだけ日本語に触れる時間をたくさん作ってるから上達するのが早いんですね。上達のために効果的な勉強方法とか、リエさんが提案している学習方法とかっていうのはどんなものがありますか？
まずはやっぱり本人の一番興味がある部分っていうのを使って、細くてもいいので長くやることが大切じゃないかなと思いますよね。
そうですね。本当にやらなきゃいけない、勉強しなきゃいけないと思っちゃうとやっぱ楽しくないからそこでつまずきやすいポイントではありますよね。
そうなんですよ。
日本語を勉強している人たちに何か一言アドバイスをお願いします。
もう疲れたら休む。もうちょっとモチベーションが下がったら無理をしないで、で、自分の楽しい、好きなコンテンツとつなげて日本語を勉強する。それがアニメでも漫画でもドラマでもドキュメンタリーでも、もう何でもいいと思うんですけれども、それをとにかく自分の好きなことと日本語をつなげて、勉強っていう気持ちよりも楽しんで長くやってもらうのがいいんじゃないかなと思っています。
はい、そうですね。本当におっしゃる通りで、細く長くっていうのがキーポイントかなって思います。
ありがとうございました。
はい。
If your goal is to get more comfortable speaking Japanese and actually use it in real life situations, italki is one of the best way to make that happen. You can get real conversation practice, personalized feedback, and the chance to learn from the experienced teachers who can guide you every step of the way. Click the link in the description down below to start your language learning journey. Buy $10 and get $5 for free for your first lesson using my exclusive promo code May. The discount is only available for first 50 users, so don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching my video until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!